I ain't taking the word of nobody when it comes to hair, because half these YouTube girls just have a biased opinion when it comes to hair, and I don't feel like I'm getting the real thing. 60 bucks, Amazon, AliExpress. Y'all did that. You did that. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond. Today's video is another hair review video. If you don't know already, I have 2 other hair reviews on my channel, so you could go back into the playlist, watch them if you like. But today's video is on AliExpress hair. So y'all, I was looking for something quick, simple, and easy to do my hair, and I found this hair, believe it or not, on Amazon. So for my hair reviews, if you haven't watched any of my hair reviews already, I base hair based on 5 different stars. These 5 different stars come together as one review and determines whether this is a hair that you guys should buy for yourselves. Should you spend your money? Should you invest in it? Should you buy it or not? That's what I'm here for. So the 5 stars is: 1, I base the hair on price point. Is the price point a good price point for the quality of the hair that you purchased? 2, does the hair take color well? So I like to dye my hair, whether I dye it jet black or whether I dye it blonde like you see here. I just want to make sure it's a product that takes color well, that doesn't burn or dissipate at any sight of bleach coming near it.
Oh my god!
3, does the hair shed? Because I mean, I don't want to be investing my money in something that sheds to the point where it's bald by the time I'm done combing it out. 4, does the hair tangle? Because if it tangles, it is trash. And 5, how long does the hair last based on the price point? So I purchased the AliExpress short bob lace front human wig Brazilian straight hair. I purchased a 10-inch, and the 10-inch was $57.89. Yes, I paid $57.89 for the hair that I have in my head. I also colored this hair myself. So this hair came in its natural dark state. I wanted a cute like blonde bob, and I also didn't want to spend a lot of money on hair at the moment. So I was like, 60 bucks, $60 ain't shit. I could spend $60. If it ends up being terrible after I dye it, I could throw it away and be totally okay. I'm gonna put a clip in here. So purchased the hair. It came in this really nice like pink bag. It came with the hair. It came with the elastic band. It came with a wig cap. It was really packaged really nicely, which I also did not expect. I expected it to just come in a bag and let that be it, but it actually came in the AliExpress bag from actual AliExpress. I've only had this hair in for 2 weeks, so this is a 2-week review. Comment down below, like this video if you want me to give a longer updated review. I could come back and give you a 1 month's review and let you know if it's worth it or not. For the price point, I would give this 5 stars. It's like the hair is soft, it's flowy, and it's not synthetic. It's human hair, and it was $57.98 or around that, so $60. So you cannot beat hair, soft and flowy. Sorry, I'm looking at my monitor here. Soft and flowy and like moves around with you, and it's not synthetic hair. I will also give this hair 5 stars. I colored this hair in 1 sitting. I didn't have to, and I should have done it in multiple sittings because then I would have gotten the color that I really want, but I was in a rush. I didn't have time. I needed my hair done. So I colored this hair in 1 sitting. Literally, it was colored in less than 4 hours, I would say. I started with just coloring the front, and then coloring the rest of the hair, it came out perfectly toned and in a nice color that I think is cute. And it just took the color really well. It didn't run away from the bleach, it didn't melt under the bleach. It actually was able to sit for a while, develop its color. And the clip before, and I'll add it again, the hair was super dark. So for the hair to go from that dark to this is just unreal. So 5, 5, 5, hands down, I'll give that a 5 on color. And I feel like no matter what color you decide to color it in, whether it be red or a blonde or whatever, you'll have a good experience coloring this hair. And it's not gonna be stiff, and it's not gonna be like just rock hard after you color it. It's still going to be in its natural soft state. I have not experienced any shedding with this hair as of yet. Again, I've only had this in my head for about 2 weeks. So I haven't experienced any shedding yet, especially after I bleached it. I like this hair. I'm gonna tell you right now, this hair does not shed, and it hasn't shed for me as of yet. I cannot speak on the other hair that they have. I'm literally only speaking on this bob and their bob hair. But for me, having this bob hair, it has not shed, not once. The only shedding that I did get is when I did dye the hair. Initially, the bleach and like combing it out and all the extra hair that came out with it, that is the one time that I had shedding, but it wasn't even a lot. It wasn't like clumps of hair or anything like that. It was just those parts of the wig that I just over processed, and those are the parts that shut off. But other than that, as soon as I dried it, I air dried it, brushed it out the next day, flat ironed it, and I don't have any hair all over my bathroom. I don't have hair all over me whenever I do it. Like, this hair is really good. So for shedding, I would give this hair a 5 as well. And as I'm doing this video, I'm thinking about it, I'm like, damn, like 3 out of 5, 3 5s, and you got 2 more. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. For me, I have not experienced any tangle. I hate when I have like tangling in like the nape of my neck. I live in Florida. Florida is hot. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for hair sticking to me. I don't like it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. So what I've experienced having this hair in for 2 weeks is no, it does not tingle. It has not tingled on me yet. And it might be because this is a bob. So again, I cannot speak on the other hair they have. I can only speak on the hair that I got in my head right now. And the hair that I got in my head right now does not shed. It does not tangle. It has not tangled on me. Like, it literally stays just like this. Literally stays just like this all the time. All the time. Like, all the time. Stays just like this. So for tangling and does the hair tangle, I would give it a 5 as well, because the hair does not tangle. I only had this hair in for 2 weeks, and so I can't speak on the longevity of the hair and how long it lasts for the price point. Again, 60 bucks, 57 something. So far it's holding up well for the $57 that I paid for it. If you would like me to do a 1 month or a 2 month update on how the hair is keeping up, I could do that for you. Just like or comment down below and let me know if you want me to. I could do that for you. Shit, now that I'm going through all of these, like, this is a 5 out of 5. Straight across the board, 5 points. I highly recommend this hair so far. 60 bucks, Amazon, AliExpress. Y'all did that. You did that. So I'm gonna applaud you on that. I feel like this is the first hair review, even though it's only my 3rd hair review. This is the first hair review that got 5 out of 5. So yeah, y'all, if you are interested, you want to look into this hair, you want to purchase it for yourself, I highly recommend it. Go ahead and do it. I have nothing bad to say about this hair so far. Again, I've only had it in my hair in 2 weeks. We'll see what happens in the next like month or so, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you would like more videos like this where I go in and I try the hair for you so you don't have to, I'll go ahead and I'll do that. Just like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have a good night. Girl, You are not going to believe I bought this hair on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. So I'm searching through Amazon. No, I'm searching for hair, period. And I needed to get my hair done ASAP, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money. I needed my hair done ASAP. So I was like, you know what? Let me go on Amazon and see what they got going on. So I went on Amazon and I'm searching, and then I seen Ali Pearl hair. So I was like, I know they sell, like, you know, different AliExpress vendors here on Amazon, and I've always heard of Ali Pearl. Like, Ali Pearl has always come up. So I'm like, you know what? Let me take my ass to YouTube and see if there's any reviews on Amazon hair from Ali Pearl. So I seen a bunch of different type of reviews of girls that purchased hair from Ali Pearl from Amazon. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take a chance. My last video, I took a chance based on reviews from fucking YouTube. And I told myself I'm not ever doing it again. I ain't taking the word of nobody when it comes to hair, because half these YouTube girls just have a biased opinion when it comes to hair, and I don't feel like I'm getting the real thing.